Howdy, so Three Little Birds. We've got three chords. We have the A chord, which is voiced like this: a bar, second finger on the G string, and then third and fourth finger on the A and the D. It's based off of the F chord that we played at fret 1, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. So there's our A chord. Now, the D chord is on the same frets as the A chord. We can leave the bar where it is, and then we just lay our third finger flat, and it needs to cover the D, the G, and the B string, these three strings. So check this out. When I move this D chord back to the second fret over here, then this is an A chord. We've played A with our three fingers, or you can play A with your first finger. If you play it with your third finger and then you slide it up, this can come in and take the place of the nut. That's A sharp, B, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So the thing is, with this first finger over here on this chord, we only really need to account for this A note. So you could have your first finger up, because this third finger is covering all three of these strings, but it's usually more comfortable for people to just let it lie flat. So again, we had A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and here's our E at frets 7 and 9. So our three chords in Three Little Birds are the A, and then the D, and then the E. And our rhythm for this song is the reggae skank, where we scratch on the downbeat, and then we squeeze with the left hand on the upbeat. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I really like to exaggerate the foot tap. So now for Three Little Birds, our chorus is super easy. It's 2 measures on the A, and then 1 measure on the D, and then 1 measure on the A. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A, 2 and 3 and 4. That's one time through. We got to do it twice. The double dots at the beginning and the end of the line mean repeat the entire line. The division sign always means repeat the previous measure. So again, we had, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Again, singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Chorus, we stick on the verse rather, we stick on the A, we go A, E, A, D, A, E, D, A. So we've got, woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun, E, 3 little birds back to A, down to the D chord, singing back to the A, and then to the E, D, this is my message to you, A, chorus, don't worry about a thing. And that's the whole tune. Again, A, fret 5, D, fret 5, E, fret 7. And we're doing an eighth note rhythm, where we're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's it. All right, have fun.